Today, I will make an animation of the camera following a path. You can replace it with the image material you need. Let's start the tutorial. Create a new 1920 by 1080 main composition, 20 seconds. Import the footage. I chose the Adobe software icon here. Create a new 1000 by 1000 composition, put the image. Drag in the image. Ctrl+D to duplicate to 5. Replace images one by one with Alt. Create a new shape layer in the main composition. Add a multi-point star. Change type to polygon. Change outer diameter to 400. Right-click and convert to Bezier Path. Then add stroke. Size 2. Turn on 3D. Open Path. Copy. Create a new 50mm camera. Remember to select single node. Then create a new null object. Turn on 3D. Press P to paste the path. Click to the 10-second mark. Select all keyframes. Press Alt and drag to 10 seconds. Select the keyframes. Right-click Keyframe Interpolation. Change floating to lock to time. Control-click to change to normal keyframes. You can see the null object moving along the polygon path. Parent the camera to a null object. We want to move, always centered. Press P on the camera, set both X and Y axis to 0. Now each move ends at the center of the layer. Add trim paths to the shape layer. Keyframe the end property. Increase by 20 every other keyframe. Select all keyframes. Press F9 for easy ease. Adjust the speed curve. Let's check the result. Select the first keyframe. Drag in the image. Turn on 3D. The position has changed. Press Ctrl+Home to center. Go to the second keyframe. Drag in the second image. Repeat the previous operation. And so on, until all images. The image is a bit large. Select all by pressing S. Scale to 30. Go to the second keyframe. Camera press P. Increase Z-axis. Scale the image to a suitable size. Show all keyframes. Drag it back a bit. We keyframe the camera position. The image goes from large to small. After pressing F9, the speed curve goes from fast to slow. Insert the keyframes where the graphics appear in between. This way, the entire motion trajectory will be relatively smoother. Similarly, add keyframes at the end. Display the frame at the appropriate position. Drag in the background image. After turning on 3D, Change the Z-axis position to 2000. Adjust the size. Add a tint effect. Darken the colors. We want to highlight the image. Add a glow effect to the shape layer. Adjust the parameters appropriately. Also add a bevel and emboss effect to the image. Make it look more three-dimensional. You can also add text embellishments. Effect completed. Try it yourself.